Hello, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, if you're a member of the Facebook page In the Kitchen with Pen, you will know that I took delivery of a new kitchen gadget today. If you watched last night's video, you will know I took delivery of a new kitchen gadget today. And the kitchen gadget is a Ninja SPEEDI. And today I'm going straight in. I'm going to try my first recipe using the Ninja SPEEDI. And yeah, I'm just gonna go straight in. If it goes wrong, you'll see it. If it works out, you'll see it. So let's start our Ninja SPEEDI learning curve together. So come on down and have a look at the ingredients. Well, here are our ingredients. Now, in this bowl, I have 4 chicken thighs that have been deboned, but the skin is still on them. And in the bowl, the marinade is 2.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, a dash of white pepper, about a tablespoon of 5 spice, a teaspoon of sugar, and 3 garlic cloves, some of which I minced, some of which I chopped, and they've been in there marinating now for probably about 2 hours. So that's my chicken. I'm serving it with some rice, so I've just got some ordinary plain common or garden rice here. I'm going to flavour up the rice by just adding in some vegetable bouillon. I'm also going to cook some tender stem broccoli. I'm going to be finishing the dish with some green onions, some scallions, some spring onions, call them what you will, and and I need to get some more, some sesame seeds. So let's get started. In the SPEEDI, I've put the rice, and what I've done is I've made up about 300 mils of stock. I'm going to top that up to 400 ml, and I'm just going to pour that over the rice. Now, if you saw the unboxing video, you'll see that the tray of the Ninja SPEEDI actually has these little arms that come out. So if I was doing something on the bottom, like a whole chicken, I would have the arms folded in and push it right down to the bottom, but I'm not. So I've got the arms out and I'm going to sit it, and you'll see that it sits on these grooves. So now I need to take my chicken, and I'm using tongs, and I want it skin side up. And I'm just going to sit it on top of this rack. Oh, and it smells absolutely glorious. It really does. Right, and I've got some more, and what I'll do is I will brush some of that on part way through the cook. So you need to now come down and see what we do next. Right then, time to start. So we're going to switch on, and we're going to be using our SPEEDI meal steam air fry steam bake. So I need to lift the nozzle up, and we're going to go to a temperature of 190, and our time, we're only going to go for 15 minutes. And now we press start, and that will obviously preheat, get to temperature and start cooking. With about 7 minutes to go, I'm going to pop our broccoli on the top rack as well. So we'll be back in, well, when we have 7 minutes to go. I have decided that I'm going to just throw in a few frozen veg in with the rice, and I'll do that when I add in the tender stem broccoli. I actually didn't realise how much steam it would produce, so I've moved it across and it's sitting underneath the extractor fan, and that's what the noise is. Just about 7 minutes left, so let's lift. And wow, it's looking lovely. Right, now I want to take this off. You wouldn't normally do this, I know, but this is just because I'm being good. Take this off. See how the sauce has dripped through, and that's fine. So I'm just going to stir through and add in this mixed vegetables that I decided to add at the last minute. Let's get those stirred through our rice too. With our tray with the chicken on, and just move our chicken over just a little. Get our broccoli there. I'm going to paint, as I say, or as I said, the marinade back on to our chicken. And this holds the time, so back down we go for it to continue to cook. And we are finished. I took the broccoli out just before, about a minute before, because it was browning quite well. So let's take a look. Oh wow, that smells absolutely amazing. So I am taking the chicken out and I am going to put it onto this board because I need to slice it. The sink. I'm hoping that clean up with this is going to be as easy and as quick as it is, and it certainly looks it. Look at that. Right, I'm going to carve the chicken, and next time you see this, it will be dished up. I'm sorry, I'm going to say it, but wow. Look at that. Rice, vegetables, chicken, broccoli, and cooked in 15 minutes. Well, probably about 18 by the time it had started to steam. 18 minutes. So, you know, I'm going to take Steve through, and then we'll be back for the taste. Well, here's our bowl of what I hope is goodness. and obviously I need to taste. So first off, I'm going to go for some broccoli because I was a little bit worried because it was getting quite well cooked. So, oh, excuse me, hiccups before I eat. Piece of broccoli. It's got the chard, but because of the steam, it's cooked. It's lovely. Right, now, piece of chicken. Now look at that skin. I'm hoping the skin is really crispy. It certainly felt it whilst I was cutting it, so in we go. That was a bone. Bones notwithstanding, that's lovely. And now we'll go for the rice. Now the rice, remember, I did it in vegetable stock and the sauce from the chicken dripped through. That's the winner. First cook in my SPEEDI. I didn't follow a recipe from their book. I just went for it. And my goodness. Definitely worth it. So if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. I have a question. I now have all these cooking utensils. Do I need my oven? I'm thinking let's get rid and just go straight across with work surface and some shelves underneath. Steve's a little bit more hesitant. I guess he's been quite sensible. But let me know what you think. Anyway, don't forget, if you've liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see every time we put on a new video, subscribe and ding that bell and you'll be notified each and every time. But for now, I'm going to go and tuck in and I shall see you all again very soon in the kitchen with Pen. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen and sometimes
Steve.
If you'd like to see more of our cooking and review videos, then click here.
But if you'd really like to help the channel grow and subscribe, please click here.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
Oh yes. Keep cooking. Right, send that to me.